If you're a dad who keeps starting workouts over and over again, this video is for you. And before you blame motivation, discipline, or willpower, I want you to hear this clearly. It's probably not your fault. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. I see this pattern all the time with dads I work with. You get fired up, you start training again, you might even feel really good for a few weeks. And then life hits. It smacks you right in the face, right? You know exactly what I'm talking about. Your work gets busy. We all have our careers, our jobs, our businesses that get in the way. Your kids get sick. That one absolutely destroys me, and I'm sure it destroys you. And what happens when your kids get sick? Your sleep goes to hell. And before you know it, your routine completely falls apart. Then what happens, guys? Guilt comes in, that frustration, that feeling of here we go again, I'm starting over again. And most dads immediately go to this thought: I just need more motivation. I just need to be more disciplined. And we hear this time and time again from the David Goggins of the world. Stop being a little bitch, right? You hear this over and over from influencers, from people all over social media. But that is not the biggest issue. You don't need more discipline. You don't need more motivation. That's not the problem. Most dads think they're inconsistent because they're lazy, or because they've lost it, or because they just don't want it bad enough anymore. But I'm here to tell you that is not true. Most of you used to be consistent at some point. You've probably trained before. You've probably been in shape before. So the issue isn't effort. The issue is what you're trying to repeat no longer fits your life. And I see this time and time again with people that I coach online. They're constantly trying to put that effort in that they had before. And that's not a bad thing. That's good. We want effort there. But sometimes you have to understand that you need to take a step back and use the windows of time that you have. Use the amount of energy that you have. Not trying to push to where we had before, because that is constantly going to put you in this stop-start cycle that is never going to be consistent. And here's the real reason that dads keep starting over. You're trying to train like the version of yourself that no longer exists. That version of you with more time, more sleep, less responsibilities, way more energy. But guess what, dads? Your life changed, but your training never did. So every time you start again, you're starting something that's already set up to fail. And when it fails, you blame yourself. When in reality, it was the plan that didn't fit. You didn't have a system in place to help you with this life change. It wasn't your motivation. It wasn't your discipline. It was the system and plan in place. This is the shift that changes everything. You don't need to get motivated again, guys. You need a standard that fits your current life. Training as a dad isn't about doing more. It's about doing what actually works now, in this moment, in this time, in the present sense. Not what you were 10 years ago, not what you're going to be 10 years from now, right now. You don't need perfection. You don't need 6 days a week at an hour a clip. You don't need to train like you're 25 anymore. You need something that is repeatable, something sustainable, something that you can come back to even when life gets crazy, just like we talked about before. Your job, your kids, your family, your life, you need something that's going to keep you consistent. The dads who stop starting over aren't more disciplined than you. They just stopped forcing a routine that didn't fit anymore, and they built one that did. And here's the part most dads don't realize. Strength comes back faster than you think. Confidence comes back faster than you think. But only when you stop fighting life and start working with it. If this hits home, you are not alone. And this channel is built for dads exactly like you. If you want support and accountability, I have a free dad community where I share workouts, I share mindset, I share real life strategies that are actually going to fit your life, dad life. And if you want to go deeper into this exact topic, I also have a free masterclass that breaks down exactly how to train, how to get stronger, and how to stay consistent without fighting your schedule. And it's all linked below, so please check it out. And dads, remember, you don't need to start over again. You just need a better starting point.